Hello children. Today we are learn standard 6 subject science lesson number 1 natural resources air, water and land. Observe the picture alongside and answer the questions. Where do we see the birds? Where is the cow grazing? Locate the trees and the road. Where does the river come from? How does it flow? Where is the aeroplane? Where are the fish seen? On what is the sailboat floating? You can see that some things in the picture are in water, some on land, and some in the sky. That is in the air. Thus, all things on the earth are associated with air, water, and land. Air, water, and land are called the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere, respectively. We see different living things occupy these three spheres of the earth. What is the biosphere? These living things and the part of the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere which they occupy are together called the biosphere. These spheres have formed on the earth naturally. What is an atmosphere? The atmosphere is the layer of air that surrounds the earth. The surface of earth comprises water and land. That is the hydrosphere and lithosphere. Of this, the hydrosphere and occupies a much larger part than the lithosphere. Water occupying 71% whole in the earth and land occupying 29%. We also look upon these natural components. What is meant by natural components? All the things that available naturally, that is the things available in nature. Natural components are solid, liquid and gases form as resources. In other words, we use them to fulfill our requirements. That is, we use all these natural things for our need to use it for our daily life. Next period we learn what are the natural resources. Thank you.